Hey there, my name is Sagar. And in this video, I'll talk about 5 top reasons that people are not making money in this on make money online niche. Five, you may be an affiliate marketer or anything you just started as a digital marketer to make money online. So this is for you. Or if you are just entering into coaching system, you wanted to make more money, right? So for that reasons, I've identified based on my past experience that there are the top 5 reasons. The first reason is people are just in the phase of learning. They are not even started implementing. It's like they wanted to like learn the perfect strategy, then only they will implement. That is the wrong concept. This will never happen. So rather than just learning, you have to change the track, learning, then doing, then do the mistakes. Then you will learn more while you are implementing rather than just in the phase of learning. You got my point? What I'm saying is, do not just l- learn to learn. Try to learn to do the things. But that is the fact that people are getting results because they are learning and immediately implementing. The moment you start implementing now, you will get to see the exact clear picture about like your learning growth, how you're actually learning and what was your education system already taught. That's the reason why the some past experience about our education system, that the reason, one main reason behind it, but it can be changed. So what I suggest is learn, then and go implement it. 20% time you spend on learning, 80% time you spend on acting, implementing, do the mistakes. I have seen someone say that increase your uh, failure rate. Definitely you'll get success very fast. Good. So second one, when it comes to taking a mentorship, people are always look for, okay, this person has, once they join one program, then they look after another program. Okay, I think that program has something better than this program, something, then they jump into that program. And that leads to no results. That happened to me. I joined 5 different programs at the same time, the year 2020, and like continuously month, it was completely zero. The reason being I was focusing like in the 5 different ways. So what I suggest is for 90 days, just surrender to one mentor and believe and trust it. It will work. Do not just jump into like some other free training. The moment you get into the other free training, you'll get sold. And I respect each and every trainer, every coach. The thing is, our human mind is not designed to take a lot of things at the same time. Okay, great. Now, so second solution is to focus on one mentor, surrender to it for at least 3 to 6 months. You will be unstoppable. Third, people are not building a skill. Like why people will invest in you? What is your one core skill that you have that people will invest in you? That you need to figure it out. Okay. Fourth is audience growth. People are not focusing on even creating content. Now this economy is called it is creator economy. If you are not creating, you are not going to grow. It is right. So create content, create paid content, create free content. That can be maybe you are into coaching, that can be the course can be the paid content. The free content, it can be webinar, it can be workshop, it can be a challenge, right? So creation is very important. The moment you start creating, your audience will grow and people will like come to you for a solutions. That's where the real game is. The last but not the least, that is sales. You need to learn the power of conversion, what it takes to convert. It can be a good offer, irresistible offer. It can be the good sales pitch, right? So these are the things you need to master. For this year, for me, like I'm learning more about sales. Even I'm buying books, courses for that. But the thing is, I'm implementing it. Even I'm reading one chapter of book and just sometimes make a notes and just go and implement it. How can I make it implement? Sometimes I had to stop reading the book and just go and change some from my business perspective. So the just to recap, first, learn to do the things, not to learn to learn. Second, surrender to one mentor. Third, build a skill that people will invest in that particular skill. Fourth, try to create the things. And fifth is sales. Learn the power of sales, and that is going to give you more edge in the market. And definitely, you'll success within 3 months. If you just follow these 5 things, I know that it will really help you. All the very best. If you are liking this type of content, please hit the like button and subscribe button so that it can reach to more and more people. Thanks for your support and watching me till this end. Please let me know like which one you resonate most in the comment section. Thank you so much, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye.